Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to day 12 of our 28-day Couch to Mat Yoga Challenge. I'm Heather, I'm the Bent Yogi. I'm so glad you're here with me again today. I hope you're enjoying this challenge. I hope you enjoy this practice. We're going to get started in downward facing dog. Come onto your mat and come on into your downward facing dog. And if you want to begin in child's pose, you can begin in child's pose. If you want to add in child's pose at any point during our practice today, you can. Set up your downward dog. Set your hands in your feet. Set your gaze or close your eyes. And take a big breath in. And a long breath out. Now if you want to add in a little bit of movement to start to loosen up, you might bend one knee and then the other. Maybe move your head around a little bit. Maybe swap out your downward dog for a child's pose. I do hope you are enjoying this daily practice, our daily practice. I'm enjoying it. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Take another big inhale here. As you exhale lightly, step or jump to the front edge of your mat. Set your feet together apart and come on into your halfway lift. Hands can be on your shins, alongside your toes. They can dangle. Feel your feet, maybe a little bend to your knees. Lift your chest, lift your heart. Take a big inhale. Fold forward, exhale. Connection to your feet and come on up to stand. Rise up, shoulders roll back, hands reach high. You can look up. Take a big inhale. Draw your hands to your heart. Set your gaze. Lower your gaze or close your eyes. I do hope you are enjoying this practice. I'm enjoying this practice. I'm enjoying practicing every day with you. Together, let's take a deep breath in. And a long breath out. Inhale. Sweep your hands high, reach up. Fold forward, exhale. Find your halfway lift, your flat back, inhale. Bring your hands to your mat, step back to your high push-up, your high plank. Shoulders over wrists, knees lifted or lowered. Feel that you can set this up, you can challenge yourself and you can be strong, but you can also enjoy. You can be in a place of joy. Take a big inhale. As you exhale, move forward. Halfway down, low push-up. You can drop your knees or come all the way down. Inhaling, upward facing dog. Maybe your cobra or your low cobra. Exhaling, back to your downward dog or your child's pose. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. And sometimes it can be challenging to soften a little bit, to take a child's pose, right? Either literally or figuratively, because we're so used to pushing and even used to struggling. Let this practice work for you. Let yourself enjoy this practice, this whole experience. Take another big inhale here. As you exhale, step or jump to the front of your mat. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale, coming up to stand. Rise up, reach up, lift up. Fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. Hands to your mat, high push up, forward and halfway down, low push up. You can come all the way down. Upward dog, big breath in, lead with your heart. Exhale, back to your downward facing dog or your child's pose. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Take a big inhale and a full exhale. Take another big breath in here. Exhale lightly. Step or jump to the front of your mat. Halfway lift, flat back. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale. Come on up to stand. Reach up, lift up. Now, chair pose, Utkatasana. Put a big bend in your knees and sit down. Hands can be high or at your heart. Your feet can be together or apart. Set your foundation, right? So you feel steady, so you feel strong. Maybe you feel challenged, but you can still enjoy yourself. You can enjoy being in your body and feeling this breath. Hips sit down and back. Heart lifts up. Keep this quality of lengthening and lifting through your upper body. Take one more big inhale here. Fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. Hands to your mat. Step back to your high push-up. Forward and halfway down, low push-up. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Step your right foot to your right thumb. Warrior one, Virabhadrasana. And come on up. Remember, it can be one step to come to your warrior one. Maybe you take a couple of steps to find it. Find some space. Hands high. Hands at your heart or at your hips. Front foot flat and straight. And let your front knee track over your front ankle. You can always back off from that point. Feel your back foot and lift and lengthen through your back leg. Now, take a really big breath in and a long breath out. Another big inhale here. Exhale. Hands come down to your mat. Step back, high push-up, forward and down, low push-up. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Step your left foot forward. Warrior one. Back foot spins flat. Come on up. Maybe some space right to left between your feet. Maybe you give yourself some space to move around a little bit. Adjust your feet. Not fidgeting, but intentionally adjusting for stability, for strength, also for ease and joy. Really feel, right? This is your body. You are doing this. Enjoy these feelings, these sensations. Take a big breath in and a long breath out. Once more, a big inhale here. Exhale. Hands come down to your mat. High push-up to low push-up. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a big breath in and a long breath out. Your downward dog or your child's pose. Breathe in and breathe out. Take another big inhale here. Exhale lightly. Walk or jump to the front. Halfway lift. Inhale. Exhale. Fold. Inhale. Come up to stand. Reach your hands high. Interlace your fingers up overhead. Index fingers point to the sky. Soften your shoulders. Press into your right foot. Take your left foot back behind you, just so that your left big toe rests on your mat. Now engage your core. Low belly draws in and up. Long and strong through your right leg. Your upper arms are up around your ears. Begin to tip forward to come into your warrior three. And as you start to tip forward, if it doesn't work to keep your hands forward, bring your hands to your heart or bring your hands to your hips. You might have a little bit of bend in the standing knees, some softness there. Your left foot extends back. You can reach to the toes or press through the heel. Take a big breath in. From here, step back to your warrior one. And you might have to adjust your footing. Take a big breath in. Open out to your warrior two. Feel if you can add in a little bit of space between your feet. Set your front foot flat and straight, front knee over your front ankle. Lengthen out through your arms or bring your hands to your heart. Spin your palms to the sky. Take your right hand high, reverse your warrior. Reach up and go back. Not a lot of weight on your left hand if it's on your left leg. And you can ease off the bend in your front knee intentionally. But if you notice you've just kind of unintentionally pulled yourself up and out of that bend, sink back in. One more big inhale. Exhale. Hands come down to your mat. Step back, high push-up. Forward and down, low push-up. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Take a big breath in and a long breath out. Take another big inhale here. And as you exhale, step or jump to the front of your mat. Halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come on up to stand. Rise up, reach up. Interlace your fingers up overhead, index fingers to the sky. Connect into your left foot. Extend your right leg back behind you with just your right big toe or maybe a couple of toes resting on your mat. Long and strong through your left leg, your low belly draws in and up. Reach up and out through your fingers Upper arms are up around your ears. From here, begin to tip forward for your warrior three. Take your time. You might touch the right foot back down. You might not come really far forward. You're headed towards your torso and your right leg parallel with the ground. But feel where you are right now. Feel your breath and feel if you can enjoy this. Take a big inhale. Step back to your warrior one. Right foot lands. Take a deep breath in. Open out to your warrior two. Adjust your feet. Notice if you've lost your breath or if you're holding your breath. Take a big inhale and a big exhale. Spin your palms to the sky. Take your left hand high, reverse your warrior. Reach up and go back. Right, long and strong through your back leg. Track your front knee over your front ankle. Take a big inhale. Exhale. Hands come down to your mat. High push-up. Forward and down, low push-up. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in. And a long breath out. Bring your knees to your mat. Sit back over your heels. Lie down on your back. Draw your knees into your chest. Give a squeeze. And set up for your Shavasana. If you want to add in a twist before you come into Shavasana, you can. You can take your legs out. You can take your legs up against the wall like we did yesterday. Take a deep inhale. And a long exhale. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Draw your knees to your chest. Roll to one side and make your way to seated. Bring your hands to your heart. Set your gaze. Lower your gaze or close your eyes. Together, let's take a deep breath in. And a long breath out. Drawing your thumbs to your forehead, to your third eye center. Together we say, Namaste. All right, everyone. Great practice. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Heather, I'm the Bent Yogi. I'd love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I'd love to hear from you how your daily practice is going, how this challenge is working out for you. If you're interested in longer classes, check out my studio website, sanctuarypoweryoga.com, or my Patreon page, The Bent Yogi. There you can get exclusive content for as little as $5 a month, and you're supporting this free content. I do hope you enjoyed today's practice. I do hope you are enjoying this challenge. I know I am. Take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I'll see you tomorrow.